If you think you need to get down on the floor to use a foam roller, you don't. And if getting down on a mat, or more importantly, getting back up, has become difficult, I want to show you another way. Today, one of my wonderful clients, who is 83 years old, agreed to demonstrate a few very simple exercises you can do with a foam roller using a bed. If you have knees, hips, shoulder issues, this is actually going to be just perfect for you. Of course, pick exercises that work. As we get older, we may deal with stiffness, tight muscles, balance issues, weaker joints, or simply less confident getting on and off the floor. But that doesn't mean we have to stop moving. The goal is to adapt the exercise to your body instead of giving up on the exercise altogether. So grab your foam roller, find a safe and comfortable place. As I said, a firm bed would be perfect. And let me show you a few things you can still do. On the contrary, if you watch first and take notes or even take screenshots of the exercises that you may like and want to try later, please do so now. Let's go. Starting in a seated position, forearms on a roller, we're just going to extend the arms forward and bring them closer to you, working on your posture and just feeling how the roller shifts back and forward with your arms straightening, connecting with your breath. And then we're going to add the cat and cow. As the arms straighten forward, we round our back, and as we bend the arms, bringing the roller closer to us, we extend the spine. And continuing to do this a couple of times, we wake up our breath with the diaphragm. So breathe deep and slow, do not rush. Having the roller to the side, we're going to lift one arm and flex your body to the side, opening the rib cage through the opposite side. Again, do this 2, 3, 4 times as you like. As long as you feel a deep stretch on the side, keeping your weight equally distributed on both seat bones, keeping your back straight and maintaining good posture. Do this on both sides. Rotate your spine to the foam roller and roll it back and forward, stretching through one side QL or lower back. Again, do this 3, 4 times on each side, not rushing and making sure your head is dropped down. Vertical stand of the roller, keeping it tight between knees and feet for alignment. Hands on top, you rotate to the right and left side. You can add 3 pulses on an exhale to the right and then alternate over to the left side, again keeping that nice and tall posture, reaching through the top of the head up towards the ceiling. Here we're stretching your torso and shoulders forward, allowing the foam roller to lean forward and elongating from the hips through the lower back, through the mid back and upper back, through the shoulders, just to stretch forward and back. And we can also add a rotation, as Earl is showing right here, placing your hand to one side and then reaching just with a single side. And this helps us to isolate right and left sides, especially when you have scoliosis, as our client right in this exercise. So stretching single side one at a time really works for her, as it does feel different having your back slightly disaligned. Sitting tall, lifting your roller up with both hands, at the time alternating lift of the leg as well. Helps us work on our hips, thighs and also shoulder strength. And in the next exercise, we're just going to add a rotation to the previous exercise. Again, do what works for you, but this is just a nice isometric work through her obliques. Here, using roller as an assistance to come up and down. Unfortunately, Earl has bad knees, so with her we're going to skip this exercise, but if you're able to, please do so at home, coming up and down, which helps you strengthen your legs. As we lay down on our bed, just bring your legs into a tabletop position, keeping a nice tight connection through the belly, and start lifting your arms over the head. Also feel free to add little toe taps as you reach your arms over the head, alternating. Adjust your legs position as you can, but the main work here is through the abdominals, keeping your ribs down. Let's do some chest presses right here, just bending your arms and stretching them out, balancing the foam roller. Add the legs again, alternating as you wish. There's a lot of different variations to this exercise, but again, do what works for you and concentrate on the core. Next exercise I really like because it challenges absolutely everything: your arm strength, your abs, your leg muscles, and a little bit of coordination as we lift one arm and lift the opposite leg. You can make this exercise even more challenging by lifting your arm and leg and then opening it to a side, alternating, and then just returning everything back to the original position. So as you can see, you're going to lift your arm and opposite leg, open it to the side, stabilizing through the abdominals area, not going anywhere, and then returning everything back in place. And again, deep core and pelvic floor exercise. I really like this one. Pressing the roller against your knees. You extend one leg at a time, not moving the roller. So again, it targets your triceps, it targets your abs, and a little bit of the legs. And there you have it. She's 83 years old and she's still moving, still working on her body, and still finding ways to adapt. Remember, you don't have to do exercises exactly the way someone younger or more mobile does it. Use the bed, use a chair, use a wall, modify things. What matters is that you keep moving and keep giving your body a reason to stay strong, mobile, and independent. And if today you can only do a little bit, that still counts. Fitness is built in daily action. If you know someone who thinks they're too old or too limited to exercise, share this video with them and subscribe for more simple, realistic ways to keep your body moving as you get older. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one.